folks, this is Aitan Aja from InspiredToRise.com, and today we have the LG G Flex 2 here with us for a hands-on and a preview of this device. This is one of those devices which is a game changer in its own category, and it's one of those devices that really changed the game when it came first. The LG G Flex was one of those devices which had that curved display right on it. The weight of this device is 152 grams, and as you can see, LG has implemented a little bit own iteration of theirs on this device in terms of Android Lollipop, which is present on this device, but the below icons that you can see, the material design icons, they are actually a little bit larger than those found on other devices of this size. The size of this device is 5.5 inches, which is the display size, and it has a 73.5% screen to body ratio. The resolution is 1920x1080 full HD, which roughly translates to 403 pixel per inch pixel density. It has support for really good multi-touch points, and as you can see, the device that we have here, as you can see the when we go into the software info, you can see the version of Lollipop that we have here, 5.0.1. So it comes with a Qualcomm Snapdragon 810 64-bit chipset, which is a quad-core CPU, and it performs really well. It comes with the Adreno 430 GPU, and the device has an internal 16 GB of storage or 32 GB of storage depending on the edition that you have, and 2 gigabytes of RAM or 3 gigabytes of RAM depending on which model you have. The device has a primary camera of 13 megapixels, and as you can see, it has a lot of customization options. You can easily change the font of this device. You can easily change all of the things on this device, so it actually takes the whole Android experience to a different level. And the device is capable of, it has a laser autofocus and dual LED flash, and it also comes with OIS, optical image stabilization. Here's an image of Ujjwal Kumar from droidextra.org, our fellow companion. And as you can see, the camera is so clear that you can see a little bit of a scar that he has on his forehead. So that is the amount of clarity that the camera has. And apart from that, we can also show you that how the different the material design look of Android Lollipop has been implemented. It comes with LG Watch support, so Google Android Wear support. So LG Watch Urbane is the model name, which we will cover in a later review of ours. And it's really amazing how you can connect your device with the LG Watch and have a synchronized Android Wear experience on your devices. So it's really awesome. And the video output is 2160p, which is at 30 frames per second, and you can also shoot 1080p videos at 60 frames per second. And it has HDR support and stereo sound recording in different conditions and in normal conditions also. And it has a 2.1 megapixel secondary camera, which is also capable of shooting 1080p full HD videos. And it comes with Dolby Mobile's audio, sound, and all of the various connectivity options like Bluetooth, etc. And as you can see, we can even customize our own, we can even download own different themes from the store which LG has provided to us. And the whole look and feel of Android Lollipop has been implemented really well on this device. And as you can see, the device has a really good curved display, and which is not visible here right now because we are showing you the screen, but it would be visible in our snapshots and our pictures that we would later release. That the device has a really good curve in terms of the radius, the curve radius. The device has a curve radius of 40 millimeters up to 70 millimeters. So at different points the radius does differ, and when you have the device actually in your hand, it really feels good. It does not feel like the curved display has been implemented in a bad way. It really feels good in the hand, and when you have it in your pocket, it won't feel out of place or bulging. The device has accelerometer, gyroscope, proximity, and compass sensors, which are the different sensors present in it. And let's just test the browsing on this device. As we always do, we would just open our own website on this device so that we could get you a little feel of how it is. And as we had redesigned our website just now, just a few days back, and the whole new campaign has been done by us, which is 100 days of inspiration, which would be done soon on all of the social media. So actually this is one of the first videos in the 100 days of inspiration series. And as you can see, the whole look and feel is good, and we spam a lot but not your inbox. So this is Aitan Aja from InspiredToRise.com. Don't forget to like and subscribe. This is Aditya Raja signing off.